Hello students, I am Rupali ma'am, your English teacher. In the previous video, we had discussed on lesson number 1, the sentences. I hope you understand. Today our lesson number 2, noun. Before I start explaining you lesson number 2, noun, I would like to ask you what is parts of speech. Here, speech means what? Speech means what we speak. For speaking, we need to frame a sentence. If I speak any sentence, we use many parts of speech. Words are divided into different kinds or classes, is known as parts of speech. For example, Sunil went to the school by bus. So here, Sunil went to the school by bus. It is a group of words. Based on the word's function, the way it works in a sentence. So, in a sentence, every parts of word act as a parts of speech. Every parts of word act as a parts of speech. In a sentence, which word acting as a which parts of speech is known as parts of speech. Understand what is parts of speech? Now, parts of speech divided into 8 parts. So, here there are 8 parts of speech. First is noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection. So, first one is noun. So, today we will focus on only noun because this is our lesson number 2. So, what is noun? Generally, if I ask you question, student will respond that noun is a naming word. So, correct. Noun is a name of a person, place, thing, animal. So, what is noun? Noun is a name of a person, place, thing, animal. Whatever is there in your surrounding, but we have given a particular name to them. That is the noun. Whether it is living thing or non-living thing, visible or non-visible, but we have given a name to them. That is the noun. So, understand what is noun. So, one more thing you need to remember that noun can also act as a subject and object. For example, the peon rang the bell. So, here the peon is also noun, bell is also noun. But here the peon is act as a subject, this noun act as a subject and this bell act as a object. So, understand noun. So, here noun is a word that contains person, place, thing, idea. For example, person like Mahatma Gandhi ji, Sachin Tendulkar, doctor, teacher, you, me, father, mother, all these are person. What is place? Place like Taj Mahal, church, school, home, all these are place. Things, books, pens, plate, glass, chair, all these are things. Like idea, bravery, honesty, kindness, beauty, all these are idea. So, noun is a word that contains person, place, thing, idea. So, understand what is noun? We will see here types of noun. What are the types of nouns we have? We have total 5 kinds of noun. So, first is common noun, proper noun, collective noun, material noun and abstract noun. So, today we will focus on only common noun and proper noun because we in our syllabus we have common noun and proper noun. So, focus on what is common noun. Common noun is a name which can be used commonly for a person, place, thing, animal. Like Ashok is a nice boy. Here boy is a common noun. How? You can see here I have used boy to representing common noun. Ashok is a nice boy. So, Ashok becomes proper noun. How? Because I am pointing out this Ashok. Ashok is a nice boy. So, Ashok determining you that this Ashok becomes proper noun. So, Ashok is a nice boy. Boy become common noun. So, understand common noun and proper noun. So, proper noun is a particular name of a common noun. Okay, understand what is common noun and proper noun. So, see here what is proper noun and common noun. Again, I have given you definition for proper noun and common noun. Proper noun, a name of a particular place or thing which specify you with noun. For example, Shreya is an Indian singer. So, Shreya is an Indian singer. So, Shreya is a proper noun. How? Because I am pointing out this Shreya Ghoshal. So you know Shreya Ghoshal is an Indian singer. We have how many Shreya Ghoshal in our India, like good singer? Shreya Ghoshal is only one. So particular this Shreya Ghoshal is an Indian singer. So this Shreya Ghoshal will become proper noun and singer will become common noun. So Shreya is an Indian singer is a sentence. So now what is common noun? Name we give in a general to all person, place or thing. For example, Arya is a beautiful girl. So Arya become proper noun and girl become common noun. How? Because I am pointing out this Arya is a beautiful girl. So Arya become proper noun and girl become common noun. I have given you few examples of common noun and proper noun. So here books become common noun. Which books? We don't know. If I say books, so books become common noun. If I say grammar books, so grammar book will become proper noun. Like second, person. If I say person, that become common noun. Like Sachin Tendulkar, like Lata Mangeshkar, Modi, Narendra Modi, all these become proper noun. Country, common noun. India, America, Australia, proper noun. Planet, common noun. Earth, moon, Pluto become proper noun. Like sun, how many sun we have? Only one sun. So sun is the proper noun. Understand what is common noun and proper noun and what is noun? What are the parts of speech? So thank you.